Welcome to this beautiful single-level gem in one of Redmond's top southwest communities, Copper Ridge. Westerly views maintained by an easement invite stunning Cascade Mountain sunsets for years to come. The canal easement behind your home allows a buffer between you and your neighbor. Southwest 39th Street terminates at the end of the block, allowing for more privacy and less through traffic. Tucked away and still allowing easy access to Bend and Sisters, it truly is an unrivaled location. Solar panels cover your energy bill and then some, keeping you green and almost eliminating the rising cost of power. And don't forget, that includes powering your new massive 65-jet hot tub included in the sale. Well-kept, no deferred maintenance, and only 3 years young, this tasteful and modern home is the perfect blend between luxury and comfort. We want to welcome you home this spring in beautiful Copper Ridge.